आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Ladies and gentlemen, my next debate is of the controversy over a man who says, I'm a Shankaracharya. Every morning he gets up and he says, I'm a Shankaracharya. His name is Avi Mukteshwar. What do I say about him? I can only say, before I run the package and I have a debate on this today, that he is like a walking, talking politician. He is like a political podcast. He clearly has political ambitions, and he's forcing himself into a position where he says the people of the country must accept me as a Shankaracharya. His behavior, ladies and gentlemen, is scarcely close to anything like that. Fact of the matter is, legally he is not. His position is disputed. There is a pending Supreme Court case, and now this has spiraled into extreme politics in Uttar Pradesh, with the Samajwadi Party going full out behind the self-styled godman.
This is Swami Avimukteswaranand, whose title of Shankaracharya is contested. Presently in a tiff with the Uttar Pradesh government. Police had stopped him in Prayagraj apparently for some violations of Magh Mela norms last month.
में होकर के पुलिस के साथ प्लीज अराजकता ना करें, इतना रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से, सभी से, प्लीज 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 आपसे निवेदन है, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप न करें।
He found surprising support from Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav.
अब मान लीजिए शंकराचार्य जी को अपमान कर रही है, क्या इसके लिए भी नया कानून लाओगे आप? किसको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है कि शंकराचार्य जी को खुलेआम अपमानित कर रहे हैं? बताइए आप, क्या हम और आपकी किसी की हैसियत है कि पूजनीय शंकराचार्य के खिलाफ कुछ बोल दें?
And before the row subsided came the charge of sexual exploitation of children hurled at him by Ashutosh Brahmachari Maharaj, a disciple of Jagadguru Rambhadracharya.
बारे में बोलना, ये याचिका दायर करना, अपनी बातों को रखना, कहां तक है सही?
हमने न्यायालय को संतुष्ट किया है कि एक गुरु परंपरा से अब हमारे शिष्य हो गए हैं कि मैं इन बच्चों को थाने तक ले गया, एसपी तक ले गया, वहां नहीं सुनी तो माननीय न्यायालय के सामने रखा। माननीय न्यायालय खुद इसको संज्ञान ले, और न्यायालय ने संज्ञान ले लिया है।
Even Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath called him out in a direct swipe.
हर व्यक्ति शंकराचार्य नहीं लिख सकता। हर व्यक्ति हर पीठ के आचार्य के रूप में जाकर के जहां तहां वातावरण खराब नहीं कर सकता। उन मर्यादाओं का पालन सबको करना होगा। और अगर वो शंकराचार्य थे तो क्यों आप लोगों ने लाठीचार्ज किया था वाराणसी में? क्यों FIR लॉन्च किया था? आप नैतिकता की बात करते हैं?
The self-proclaimed godman has taken vocal political positions. Is it a Swami who loves controversy, or a godman smudging the thin line between politics and religion?
Now, what is to be done about Avi Mukteshwaranand, Shantanu Gupta and Sadhvi Jayabharti, Ratnakar Tripathi and Tariq Ahmed Lari? He says that I am a Shankaracharya. But if he is a Shankaracharya, and there is no doubt about it, then what is the issue that is before the Supreme Court of India? This matter is under challenge in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has not issued any order since 2022. Therefore, he cannot claim to be a Shankaracharya legally. That's how the law is in this country. I'd like to hear from the other side. Shantanu, you want to start by saying something? Yes, Shantanu.
Yeah. I think before starting the debate, let me just read the 3-line order of the Supreme Court in the case, the Civil Appeal 310-2020, The order date is 14 October 2020, so anybody can verify it. Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Jyotishpeeth, PSPSN Saraswati versus Swami Vasudevanand Saraswati. So the 3-line verdict is, until the final decision of the appeal, neither Jyotirmith Badrinath or any other organization shall organize any Pattabhishek ceremony on or after 17 October 2022 for appointing Swami Avimukteswaranand Saraswati or any other person as Shankaracharya Jyotirpith. After that, there is no decision. This is a very clear decision of the Supreme Court that no Pattabhishek should happen for that person or any other person. After that, there is no verdict, and no one went to the court. Added to that, Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math, meaning the Puri Math, had filed an affidavit opposing this, because one of the norm for appointing a Shankaracharya, the other 3 Pithas should approve to it. So one of the Pithas has not approved it. Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad has not approved it. Kashi Vidvat Parishad has not approved it. Dashnami Sannyasi Akhada has not approved it. So he is a sannyasi. We all respect him. He took a Diksha in 2003. He's a Dandi sannyasi. We all respect him. But putting a Shankaracharya is a specific title. Like Yogi Adityanath, who's the Mahant of Gorakhnath Math, he started using the title only in 2014, when he became the Math after the when his Guru Mahant Avednath got Brahmaleen. So it's not that I put a title and start putting. There's a sanctity to the title.
So what happens is that he becomes a headline grabber.
That's all.
He becomes a headline grabber, and since his interestingly, since this has come under challenge, he is doing everything to get headlines. He says, I'll tell the Prime Minister to take care of Hindus in Bangladesh. Then he goes to the Supreme Court for a PIL on Joshi Math. Then he has a meeting with Uddhav Thackeray. And he discusses all kinds of politics and makes a few political statements with Uddhav Thackeray. Then he criticizes the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha. If you look at his records, he was a student politician actually before. He's an active student politician. And that's from a student politician, now he says, I'm a Shankaracharya. Now he has also been going to the Congress side, and he's issuing statements for Rahul Gandhi. Now all of this behavior, frankly, I don't think Shankaracharyas behave like that. I don't think any other. Does anyone else, Sadhvi Jayabharati, behave like him, like a publicist, headline grabber? I think he's a unique character in that sense.
Arnab, I think you asked the very right question. Does anybody behave? It is the very day since he had he taken the seat of the Shankaracharya Peeth, his authority on the Peeth in itself is questionable, and the way he has conducted himself has been very unbecoming of that title itself. Shantanu has absolutely explained the legal and even the religious subjugations where why his entitlement to this seat is questioned. However, the problem that I feel that the whole debate about Samajwadi Party and Congress coming in their support, I just, any Hindu issue that Samajwadi bats for becomes, a very dubious subject, whether it is really integral to Hinduism or really it does carry a matter of Hinduism. Here, Samajwadi Party or Congress Party supporting Avimukteswaranand or Avimukteswaranand batting for these parties tells that they are actually using Hinduism to create an issue within Hinduism. Here, I think the more silent this Swami Avimukteswaranand goes, it's better for even Sanatan Dharma. He's damaging the whole sanctity of the seat itself. And we as Hindus are, and we've been respecting him in the honor of the seat for very long. But I think he's taken this silence as, probably a thumb win for himself, and he thought like he can go on. And I think it's, I really applaud Yogi ji for, calling him out this time. He should not have acted like this, and it is very unbecoming of somebody, though he is not entitled to, the whole entitlement is questionable.
But there are a lot of Muslim leaders also supporting him. And interestingly, a lot of Muslim leaders claim to have all knowledge about why he should be a Shankaracharya. Now, I think that the fact of the matter is that the system But you cannot use the title Shankaracharya without a Patta Abhishek ceremony, right? And therefore he will be seen to be a usurper, which means falsely laying claim to a title. And he's very political.
Yes.
Very, very political, very active politically, which is also not good. After all, Shankaracharya, no Shankaracharya has ever behaved like this. This is an 8th century tradition. Now it is becoming embarrassing, his politics. Yes, Tariq, since you are his spokesman nowadays.
Shankaracharya is the highest seat of our Sanatan Dharma, and I think as much as we, all the Sanatanis, we owe to honor that seat, the person who's enthroned on that seat, you know, has much more responsibility of conducting. And yes, the Patta Abhishek has not happened. His whole entitlement is in question, and yet you've said it rightly, he's become a usurper, and he's taking that all the time, you know, like Shantanu said, that there is no judgment or there's no decision after that, but he's taking all the leverage to politicize himself, to go against everything that the party in power doing, the government is doing, and yet he goes out and stands with everything, and he has never said a word in favor of, you know, or against something that other parties are doing against Hinduism.
First of all, there's the one main point that I don't...
Audio problem, Tariq. Let me go to Ratnakar Tripathi. Cut to Ratnakar.
Yeah. So, Shankaracharya, you are just spreading false things. He's a legal and he's on the seat of his guru, first of all. And the Patta Abhishek has been already done.
You never, no, there is no seat of a guru. Please correct yourself. No, I'm not going to take this. That is not a seat of a guru. That is not a seat of a guru. It has been placed there by Adi Guru Shankaracharya. Have your facts right before you talk about Hinduism. If you're not going to talk correctly, we're not going to let you speak like that. If you want to make political statements...
Yeah, Bharti, I'm not on a mercy that you will let me speak or not. To hell with you. Who are you?
No, you're not on a mercy, so I'm not on your mercy to allow you to talk incorrect about my Shankaracharya lineage. It's a lineage speech. You know, he's not taken up, and Guru doesn't give. No, you're wrong there. I'm not saying you're at mercy, so we are not at mercy.
I would like to just let you know.
No, you're wrong here.
I would like to let you know, Ratnakar Tripathi, that in 2017, one minute, in 2017, the Allahabad High Court has struck down...
It's incorrect of you to say that.
The appointments of all the Shankaracharyas...
What you're saying is incorrect.
You don't have the legal acumen, don't teach me.
You have no authority to talk about Shankaracharya Peeth incorrectly.
If you will allow her to heckle me, I will leave that.
But you are wrong, Ratnakar. You are factually wrong.
Please don't let me speak first.
You don't even know what you are talking about, yes. Ratnakar. You are factually wrong.
I know very well.
The only legally accepted Shankaracharya is Swami Shantanand Saraswati. He has been recognized as the original Shankaracharya.
Nothing else. You are a blatant. You know from where the
परंपरागत पीठ है, वो उनके गुरु की गद्दी नहीं है. आप पहले अपना बात ठीक कीजिए, मैं हिंदी में बता रही हूँ. वो परंपरागत पीठ है, वो उनके गुरु की गद्दी नहीं है. हाँ, उससे कोई समस्या नहीं है, पर उसके इतना बेसिक ज्ञान होने के लिए सन्यासी होने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. ये सामान्य ज्ञान है.
वो सामान्य ज्ञान है,
आपके पास होना चाहिए. आपके पास होना चाहिए.
पेट भरना है.
ये सामान्य ज्ञान है, आपके पास होना चाहिए.
आपको अपना पेट भरना है.
Now this is personal.
Now the point is, Ratnakar ji, bring it to me because I can't speak very loudly. I want to put Ratnakar Tripathi, volume down. Ratnakar Tripathi, you have no right to try and personally attack Sadhvi Jaya Bharti. आपके बारे में भी बहुत कुछ बोला जा सकता है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आप पेट के लिए ये सब कर रही हैं. आप ऐसे बात करने का तरीका होता है. ये सड़क छाप लैंग्वेज में आप बात मत करिए. ये सड़क छाप लैंग्वेज आपको शोभा नहीं देता है. अभी बात ये है,
बारे में बोल रहे हैं, सड़क छाप लैंग्वेज आप यूज कर रहे हैं।
आप किसको शंकराचार्य बनाएंगे? इनका पोजीशन डिस्प्यूटेड है, ये पॉलिटिकली एम्बिशियस व्यक्ति हैं, इनको आप इंडिया अलायंस में कोई काम दे दीजिए,
अन्नो गोस्वामी जिसको चाहेंगे
इनको इंडिया अलायंस में कुछ शांतनु, आई थिंक इनको कुछ समाजवादी पार्टी में सेक्रेटरी वेक्रेटरी बना दीजिए। आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ही वांट्स अभी मुक्तेश्वर आनंद।
अरे उनको ऐसा करिए ना, किसी मठ में जाके खाना खिला दीजिए जया भारती को, तभी उनका
आपको जया भारती से प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आप सड़क छाप लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे, वो रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगी, पुट एवरीवन ऑन। हैव यू सीन शांतनु? आज रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी का होश खराब हो गया है। साध्वी जया भारती, यू डोंट रिप्लाई टू हिम। दिस इज चीप सड़क छाप बिहेवियर बाय रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, जिनका होश खराब हो गया आज। इनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है इसके बारे में। Shantanu, are you seeing the language he's used?
Senior आदमी है,
That's the way they are, and they have no concern of any
Shantanu,
sadhu and sannyasi. See, they have no concern for any sannyasi and sadhu. In this case, they got an opportunity.
इनको मौलवी मौलाना के लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, सन्यासी साध्वी के लिए नहीं है। इनको हर मौलवी मौलाना के लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी को, क्योंकि मुस्लिम पार्टी से आते हैं।
Their heart is bleeding for Swami Avimukteswaranand ji
Shantanu.
because it's politically suiting them. Their heart is bleeding for Swami Avimukteswaranand ji now because it's suiting them. In 2015, Akhilesh government did a lathi charge on Swami Avimukteswaranand in Banaras, right? And they say, no, हमने तो माफी मांग ली। माफी कब मांगी? 2012 to 17 they had a government, right? कोई माफी नहीं मांगी। 2021, just 2 months before the election, उनका चलो चले जाते हैं, कहीं को थोड़ा हिंदू वोट मिल जाए शायद। So then they went, right? They said, मैंने माफी मांग ली, right? They have no love, no care, no respect for any sadhu. We have seen time immemorial. You know, right? From Akhilesh Yadav's house, Ayodhya's temple is just 2 hours. 2 साल हो गए, जाने का टाइम नहीं मिला, ना डिम्पल यादव जी को, ना अखिलेश यादव जी को, right? So they have no love for or no respect for any sadhu.
Do you rule out Tariq? Do you rule out giving some political position to him in the future?
Blah, blah, blah.
Sir, first of all, I would like to say that I know very little about Sanatan Dharma.
Good.
But जितना जानता हूँ, I know.
Why are you in a debate also?
थोड़ा बहुत जानता हूँ मैं। दूसरी बात है, second thing is this, Ratnakar bhai, we should not lose our temper. Let them do whatever they want to talk. Let them abuse us. Let them do whatever they want to do. She is also a lady. Please don't do that. Secondly, you are talking about you are talking about Shankaracharya dispute, that he is not allowed to use it. This is not for us to decide that he is allowed or not allowed. Let the Supreme Court decide it.
Yeah, so till then he is not a Shankaracharya. Simple.
Sir,
I am very happy.
Sir,
so let the Supreme Court decide. Till then he is not a Shankaracharya. इतनी जल्दी क्या है? Supreme Court okay कर देगी तो बन जाएंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, at 9 o'clock tonight. At 9 o'clock tonight. What we need to see, we are sending rockets and satellites, and we are launching all kinds of new age experiments. Then there is an AI event happening in the national capital. But when I'm back, how hundreds of women are made to lie down after a 2-minute sterilization procedure. The visuals are horrible, just horrible. We need to see them, accept the reality, and then debate.
Quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप।